Welcome to the largest scale incubation system. Millions of lives are moving in rhythm. Every egg must be perfect. They are gathered for inspection. Light reveals the secrets inside. AI evaluates quality in a blink. Imperfect ones are immediately removed. Weight determines the product segment. Time for them to get into position. Each tray is carefully packed. No human effort. Robots do it all. (8°C, the ideal storage condition. Getting ready for the incubation phase. The time machine of life starts. (37.8°C, the warmth of a mother hen. Blood vessels form. Life is beating.
Removing substandard eggs is mandatory. Ready for continuous incubation.
Trays tilt automatically to simulate natural turning. The countdown is almost over. The most magical moment begins.
Hello, world, little yellow warriors.
Life bursts across the hatching trays.
Thousands of lives are ready to go.
Cleaning up to start a new cycle. Absolute sterility is the highest standard.
The babies are moved to the sorting area. The journey on the white belt begins.
Sharp eyes and skilled hands ensure no mistakes.
The chick highway running at full capacity. A gentle mist vaccine for maximum health.
Some vaccines require direct medical care.
Sliding safely into the counting trays. Infrared sensors count every single one.
Here you are. Enjoy your evening.
Air vents are perfectly designed. Stamped and ready for dispatch.
maintaining 22 degrees before transport. %60 humidity. Strong legs are the standard.
Detailed medical checks ensure perfect health.
Nutrient gel for energy on the road.
Safe recycling of waste while products move out.
Truck temperature is locked at 22 degrees.
Doors secured. The convoy departs. The vast farm welcomes the new flock. Quickly unloading into their new home.
A 5-star facility with soft bedding.
Spreading out evenly under the warm heaters.
Clean water and nutritious feed.
Climate controlled perfectly by AI. Automated feeding runs day and night.
Just weeks later, an incredible transformation.
Activating max ventilation for fresh air.
Feeders adjust to their growing height. Bedding must always be kept dry and soft.
Daily patrols to ensure flock health.
Day 35. They are fully grown. Reaching the perfect target weight. Tons of feed delivered for the final stage.
Final inspections before the big move.
Swift and safe manual gathering.
Supervised 24/7. AI controls everything. Speed is key for safe transport.
Perfect weight, perfect standards.
Logistics running like clockwork. Closing one cycle, a perfect harvest. Cleaning begins immediately.
%100% sterile for the next generation. The massive operation, managed perfectly. AI analyzes every variable without error.
6 sectors, millions of lives, one cycle. And right now, A new generation begins.
This is peak food industry operations.
Fully automated, precise, and humane. The future of farming is here.